Hi, Richard Muse, Property Result. I'm just in Shildon today looking at a terrace property, nice property, and the landlord has had this quite a few years and it's now vacant. Trouble is, he has no money to let it, and he's looking at us to maybe, do a lease option on it. So this could be a cracking deal, nice area of Shildon, and the rental income on this would be about $450 a month. So I'm just going to have a look inside and we'll see how it goes. So you're coming into the living room. I've spoke to the letting agent on this, and you can see it's horrible carpet. It needs painting. Needs new carpets down. Now the landlord previously is just trying to get away with cleaning the carpets, and what's happened is he hasn't let it for as much money as he thought. He hadn't had as good a quality tenant. So it needs some proper tender loving care. Backyard needs tidying up. But I've seen a lot worse properties than this. Going into the kitchen. The letting agent said yes, well, there's a little bit where there's been a leak off the boiler that needs refixing. Obviously needs replastering. And see, it's not a bad kitchen at all. In fact, quite nice actually. Quite nice, be nicely done up. Again, some nice units. And this landlord, he's had a few problems, and here we have where it has leaked the boiler, so that needs plasterboard and then replastering over, skimming over, and he's just run out of money, so it's bought the wrong price at the wrong time. Unfortunately, a lot of people have done that, and it's, you never know when the right time is, and now he's asking us to see if we can help him, and now we'll be able to help him. There's no doubt about it. This is not a bad property from what I've seen so far. Let's go upstairs. Bathroom, shower. On the whole, okay, it needs some work, minor work. I'm going to one bedroom. And you can see outside, look, it's a nice area. People keep the gardens nice. So this will rent all right, no bother at all. A massive built-in wardrobe there. And going across into the next room. Not as big, but again, a lot of it's took up by a built-in wardrobe. You see the view. So that's the view from the front window. So it's a nice property. It's not a terrace property in a street where the outlook's poor. This is a really nice outlook. And there's a brand new housing estate with persimmon building over the road. So this will increase in value. There's no doubt about it. But unfortunately, like I said, the landlord's in negative equity. See the boiler, always check the boiler. And yes, it's had a leak, but it looks okay. We'll get that, if there's any work to do, it'll be done. So this one, I would say, is something where we can help. It doesn't need massive work. It just needs new carpets, decorating, and some minor works here and there. Whoever's painted it last, as you'll see, hasn't done a very good job. That could have been the last tenant. But look, if this is done really nice, to a nice standard, this is going to let it all day long and provide an investor with a nice cash flow every month, because what it is once doing to a better standard, so we get the 450 per month rent. If you're just going to leave it and just, you know, clean the carpets and just give it a quick makeover, then there's no doubt about it that you will get a poorer standard of tenant and a lower rent at probably about 350, 360 a month. So we don't want that. We want it to create as much cash flow as possible. I'm sure the vendor, this solution of a lease option on this should send him down to the ground. He was very receptive to it before I've come to view it. So this is the type of property, you know, where we will do a deal, and this is where we help landlords. They think they've got a problem, we can solve that problem. And just, you know, we have a lot more of these videos. If you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, you'll see a lot more of these. Hi, Richard Mew's Property Result. Just looking at a nice 2-bedroom end terrace in Shildon today. Been looking at this on behalf of the vendor. He's got some, he's had some issues before. He's had it let, and he has no more money to do it up. It needs, just having a look, about a couple of thousand spending on it. Can't sell it because he's in negative equity, and he's receptive to a lease option deal. So this is one of the types of lease options we will do. It's quite a good one. It should cash flow very well. Nice option to buy price in a nice area of Shildon. So we have lots more of these deals. You know, please look on Facebook for more, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel.